Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What's up, guys? What's going on, Crisis on here? It is time for some game dev. Here we go. We are here, we are in the clear, and we are ready to steer ourselves into success. This is a stream full of ridiculousness that happens because I am me. We just added in a brand new, look at this cute little variant that we just added into the game. How freaking cute. Look how cute. Look at that. Tell me that's not cute. Tell me that's not cute. Look how cute that is. Don't you want the town mouse to be like that? I would. Okay. So first thing we're doing is we are going in and editing or something. Okay. Okay, so where are we at? I gotta go to the right post. Okay, so this and dilate for the text being the same value. So let's see what we can do about that. Go into like match, turn off the fader. So you can see, go to here, realm, text. The same value. Oh snap. What does that do? So much easier to read though. Unbelievable. That's great. Love that. The same everywhere now? The change, did that make it pop? Yeah, I love that. Didn't know it was a thing. Oh, it's so easy to read. Is that everywhere? Let's see here. It might be everywhere. That's probably true. Ooh, we got an issue with the green screen this side. Why? Like. Yeah, fix it. Nice. Good day. Okay. I said good day. So we should have a way so we can see. Alright, so that's Mino, Pixel. So we're starting to get there. Starting to get some more variant types. For sure. I'm gonna make a rotating news here. Let's do that. Also, can I just say that this, just say that it looks a lot cleaner. Gotta fix the other one. And the preloader is the... it's the news. Starter. Turn off the black. White. What a weird way to do that. But hey, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Right. You're telling me this news comes on. And then this one, Labra Bold, has a thickness at the same level. Oh, it pops. Amazing. Didn't know that was even a thing. I didn't know that that's how that worked. I had no idea. Great. Okay. Let's fade the news back out. Fade the black back on. Alright. Let's make us a news ticker. So crisp now. Alright, so we have the request to make that the numbers even thicker. Need a new version. This outline material, need a different material. Where does that get used? Oh, this material, this guy. This is, I'm gonna say, outline thick. On the card templates. Okay. Mana. What if I told you Yeah, this is changing everything. Okay. Then we have, in this prefab, we have this number. Those numbers are so easy to read now. Same thing with the mana numbers, I think, too. Updated outlines for numbers, and they pop. Sweet. Good issue to have. Okay. Guys, if you don't know at all, and if you still don't know, we have a Kickstarter, and a Kickstarter is really cool. You should definitely check it out. It's actually on its way to be funded. We're very close. It's very cool. We're about 13 days in, and we are getting there, for sure, 100%. If you have not thought about backing the project already, please do. You have no idea how much that would mean to us, and we would love you eternally forever. That's all there is to it. Smallest amount's $12. It's cheap. A little bit more than a cup of coffee, but not more than 2 cups of coffee. At least from Starbucks. Okay. So, that's my spiel. Hope you liked it. Alright, so... Alright. These hurt. Useful squats. Yeah, okay. That one squat was good. Alright. So let's create a ticker in the main menu for news. Rotato tomatoes around. Down here, where it like fades out and fades a new one in. Or should it just actually do its own thing like that? Like, what if I mask this? Like, what if I put this here, and I put the Kickstarter one as a mask? So what if I mask you? No, you know what? I want another image. That is a UI mask. Covering most of this. Right? Like that. And like that. Cool. Nice. Okay. So you make this a mask. Don't show the graphic. Put the Kickstarter inside it. This is just going to be a mask. Smoke and mirrors, smoke and mirrors. Can I literally Nice. That's so cool. Okay. Where's the button at? Button's here. One-click link. One-click link's gonna have to change also, but we're gonna literally not make more than one of these, right? Do another one of these. We're actually gonna do a... Do we want to do a horizontal layout group? I think we do. I think we want to do a horizontal layout group on this. I'm just going to make sure it gets put in the middle center. We don't have any problems. Oh, the news title. News title. Oh, it's all messed up. How do I undo that? Ew. Okay. Where's the word news? It's just not there. It's hidden. You don't need to have news be a thing. Okay. Now we can horizontally upgrade this. Put in the middle. Okay. Cool. Now we can literally Kickstarter, and then we can do another one. Oh, I see. Spacing. Go away. Go into expand, force expand it. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see how this is gonna work. Okay, I got it now. Content. Horizontal layout group. Hey, that looks cool. Now the content is now like that. Alright. Alright. So then we have a Kickstarter. We have, we'll call it News 1, News 2. Bring this in there. Bring this in view. News 2 is going to say current patch notes. A different image. Let's do. When in doubt, do Goose Girl. Oh, she's not. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. So then, now we need, instead of the clickable being here, no, there. Not there. Shoot. There. Just going to add values. Okay, and this is going to be the patch notes. Patch notes are currently on itch.io. Hold on. Okay, so that should be able to go to our patch notes, which is here. Cool. Now I'm actually curious, what happens on the news ticker if I... what turns green? That's the real question. What part of that turns green? Nothing turns green, and that's because interactable. There's no image on it? Is that because there's no image? Right, 100%. Right, cast on that. It's totally that. This has got no image on it. Background image. Okay. This is gonna need an image. It's gonna have to be the entire size of it. Let's do it like this. Put the image on inside. Oop, ew. Can't do that. Go like this. The image inside there. It's a white box. Okay. The entire size of everything. That, and then we'll do button. And it affects the tint of that image. Maybe. Let's see. Oops. You almost have it. Figure out why it's not letting me do it. So this image is okay to raycast. This image is not okay to raycast. Not okay to raycast. Okay, so why is it doing that? The target graphic has to be this BGO, doesn't it? Raycast targets allowed there. Raycast targets allowed here. No. Gotta be that. Nice. Problem solved. Very cool. Thank you, very cool. Thanks for that, Pepper. Alright, so that's fixed. Figured it out and sorted it. Right? And then we can literally just send a ticker. You too? I don't even need this one. It's just this. Or the image it goes to. Cool, that's super simple. Alright, so now news ticker needs its own script. And they're just rotato tomato the news. scripts. Scripts, objects, news ticker. Cool. Come on, you can do it. New sticker. We'll say int total panels. Let's say, actually we'll do int start x, int move flip move per panel, flip start x. Okay, and then we do an index. Current index. Okay. Time between moves. Okay. Time between panels. Okay. Private float next panel. Timer. Else. Is rotating. Which is true. Next thing with that is using Unity Engine event systems. And we're going to do I pointer enter, I pointer exit. Okay. Rotating equals. Okay, set update. Do next panel timer. If the next panel timer is greater than or equal to the time between panels, then what? And we slide panel index. We'll just slide panel. Right. Private. Void slide panel. All right. That way when we have a new card, we can now show off the card on the main menu. That's neat. All right. All right, so slide panel is going to be, let's see here, direct transform, I'm going to do content holder. Cool. Do a do move using db.tweening. We'll do content holder dot do move x, or content holder dot, let's do anchor move x, do anchor position x, content holder dot current dot anchor position dot x plus move per panel over 0.3 seconds. However, also then next panel timer becomes 0, right? And this is if is rotating is false. Turn. Now we slide the panel. This is based on if current index. All right, so we do this. We do current index equals plus equals current index plus plus if current index is greater than or equal to content holder dot parent, nope, dot child count. Okay, current index equals 0. Nice. Then we do anchor is x. So we do anchor equals. It's not going to be anchor x. It's going to be literally start x times current index. No. If current index, we start x, so if it's negative 200 times 0 is wrong. So current index plus 1. Right, so that way we can do. Alright. That way we can do, if it's spot 0, it's start x, but if it's spot 1, it is start x times 2. Start x times current index plus is times, no, it is amount to move. X is going to be move per panel. So it'll be start x plus move per panel times current index plus 1. But now it's not plus 1 anymore, right? Because now it's move per panel times current index. Right, so now it's 200 plus 0. 200 plus 1. Move, whatever they're moving on. Alright guys, we're back. Sorry about that. Dogs are a little loud. Alright, so... News, -1 index. That way it starts on the beginning. Should be great now, and that means I can move the news I can move the news to that one as well. Love that. Can't click it though. Why is it not clickable anymore? Odd. Now it's not clickable anymore? What did I do different there? Button. Background image. Okay. Nope, not a raycast there. Right, no raycast on there. Raycast on here. That's fine. Content. Use 1 and 2. Both following the same thing. Not gonna work now. Didn't I just have it working? I swear I thought I just had it working. I think highlighting this should just cooperate. Odd stuff. Interactable graphic raycaster. Okay. The background has a raycast on it. The mask does not, which is good. We're just gonna pass it through the mask. The content itself is fine. News object. How big? So is it not this way? Oh, it needs an image on that button, doesn't it? It needs an image that you can't see. You can't just have a button. It's gotta have something on it. There's some kind of image to it. Which makes a lot of sense, to be fair. Alright, so this needs an image on it. It has an image on it. It does not. See a white box. Just a small little section. Why is it doing that? So I went like this. I went just the right size for this, right? Right size for that would be, I don't know. Really not that amount. Right, like that, right? And then I turn this one off. Right, we don't make it a raycast. Then it should work. And slide. It's not working. Something blocking it, and I don't know what's blocking it. I feel like I just had it, and now it's not working. It's very annoying. I just had it too. So doesn't make any sense. Well, those are still lining up correctly, so that's good. Okay. I literally don't understand why this isn't clickable. Breakcast target. Mask graphic. So I think what we do here is instead we bring the information for these clicks up here. What I think we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the information. This is being so ridiculous for no reason. We're gonna bring this information for the clicks to the BG part. So to this part, right? I'm gonna change this script to be newsticker.click. You literally just go like this. Do a public string array click links. Right. Just on click. On click link. Application.open URL, and it's gonna be click links current index. That's it. Right. Two. So then one is one's this one, two is that one. Second one's this one. Okay. Problem solved, right? Can I add them to be a text area so they're a little bit bigger? Text area 510. Much better. Okay. And then this actually centralizes this object by doing this. And it becomes a news ticker. I click link. So if this works, then I have centralized it to one image, and it should cooperate really well. So far, so good. That one went there. Nice. Sweet. Okay. Now, that way we can now design each box. If we want to have it be the generic one with text, it can do that. Cool. Even better. I like it even more. Alright, so that ticker's sweet. So now I can literally grab this ticker, make it a prefab, not copy it. Be an actual resourceful person. Grab the news ticker. I can literally drop it in the preloader screen. All right, let me go here, turn this guy back to on, which is still the weirdest way I've ever done this. And the news on. Okay. Let me just swap the news in for the news. Get rid of this guy. This guy can get bigger. Make him. Missing the news text. This is 1.3. Cool. All right. Okay. All right, so I go here. Ah, so nice. Does it ticker? Does it ticker? Yeah, she does. It's amazing. It can go a little bit lower though. It's a little bit too high. I use the download just a little bit. Nice. Voice. Looks so smooth. Oh, it needs to come in a little bit still. I did a lot. It's nice. I can center it though. Really center it. You see this? You like this? Little ticker that we can add. Oh, really? We can put any news we get right in here. Yeah, and it's clickable based on which one you go to. So if we if we're in here and we add the season pass into it, we can literally say, you know, get the season pass now. You can check to see if you have the season pass or whatever. Yeah. Get the season pass now, click here, it goes there.
Sounds good to me. I love our game.
It's really cool, isn't it?
Good.
Yes. You see Sal's finished Halloween red cap? So cool. Alright, so let's use that GIF here. liked it a lot. Very happy with it. We have some. I think what we need to do is we want to show the thing underneath in the nav bar, right? Because we have the nav bar built. So in the nav bar, have a nav bar script? We do. Okay. A way to do this. Oh, I can check the label. I can check the label marker. Right. Okay. Show children. Okay. If show children is not null, show children dot set active. True. Oops. No, set active false. Okay. And I can literally now go like this. I can literally go right into this guy and I can ask it to show this. This one I can have it show that one. So I can have it show this. Cool. If it's a main, if it's not main nav, right? So we need another bool. Main nav is false, right? If show children and main nav is false. Cool. Cool. This one's true. Based on where we go. Based on which scene we're in, right? We're in the main menu, the nav bar. I should say it's true. False. Sick. We're in the card collection. Card collection, nav bar. This one is true. Main nav, not this one. Chop. Chop. Top of the main nav. And if we're in the collection level screen, there's no main nav. For the season pass screen, there is no main nav. There. Do we not need to? We don't need to show the marker then. Semi. Nice. Yeah, we don't need to show that anymore then. Right, because now we can go here. Nice. So then we can literally go in if it's okay. Do another bool here called show label. By default is true. And if we show the label, this is if Show label. Place label. Nav bar. Does that change itself in pass? Because there is updates in the season pass, so does that actually change in the season pass? It does. Okay. Little nuances, man. Nice. Huge. Where's the size of those? Quests. Version. Too large. Also, I think there's a chance the label did not get updated for its text style. Did. Okay. Alright. So inside the main menu, all like little quality of life things, right? Game, label marker. Let's do, what's the size of this one? 400 by 100. Cool. That should work. That's still I think the worst thing that exists inside Unity is that they add maximize and close tab next to each other. If there's a way to change that context menu, I would totally do that in a heartbeat. By far my most upsetting thing. It's so upsetting. That looks better. So I need to move these a little bit. They're like way off. Purchase cosmetics and draft matches. This just needs to be slid down. Also, that's weird on them. Main menu. Negative 100. It's a little better. It's gonna look a lot better. A lot better. Yeah, I dig that. Way better. Mm-hmm. Perfect. I feel like patch needs to actually get a little bit larger. The match button needs to get slightly larger when you hover over it. It's not. Its on swap thing is not obvious enough. It's like a 1.1. Just enough for it to be obvious. You hover it. Alright, so we fixed. Let's see, so fixed label sizing in main menu. Added news ticker. Alright, so added label sizing main menu, news ticker. What was the other thing? There's something else too. Oh! Added small punch out for match on hover. So, let's see here. Alright, so that's that. I do like that. Like, are you sure you want to click on it? It's, yeah, much better. Feels good. Here. Alright, so what else needs to be done now? Is there, so like, this is like feeling pretty good. If you click Golden Pass, it should bring you to the shop, to the Season Pass spot, which we don't have yet, so let's make a Season Pass spot. Inside the shop. How does the golden gems are always the last, always two from the end, right? Shop manager. Slide panel left, slide panel right, slide panel. Active shop panel index. On view shop panel. Okay. Hope everyone's having a good day today. I know it's like that weird 2:30 moment where like nobody wants to work. I totally get that. Let me pull my chair in. I feel that feeling right now too. We're gonna sit down, so give me a second, guys. Let me go grab a chair. It's actually right here. How convenient. Come on. Incoming loud sounds. Alright, yeah. I navigate this through. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. I've done it. Well, that's lower than normal. Why is it so low? Better. Cool. All right. Alright, so now let's see here. Let's build us a season pass spot. How do we want to do this? Do we want to do a season pass spot here? Oh, how do I... Let's figure out how Steam does their microtransactions. PC Cafe program, that's kind of cool. Steamworks API reference. Neat. Sales and marketing. No, not that. Is it not that? Is it not this? Discounting. No, no. Wishlists, visibility on Steam. The SDK. No. Let's see here. In transactions. Waha! Implementation guide. Sweet. Features. Okay. How the system works. Combination of whatever process you have in game, Steam building web service, and a customer approval process. Okay. When a user wants to buy something, your game sends a purchase request to your purchasing server. The purchasing server can be any service entity that your game system has for payment, and the purchase server can be a web server or an authentication system. Server will need to communicate with the Steam billing server or HTTP. Purchasing server can also request you. Okay, your purchasing server can introduce. Okay. Okay. Web API publisher key. In-game purchasing. Okay. This is a lot more than I thought. This is a lot more complicated than I thought it was going to be. Finalize API can be. I don't know how API works. Error codes. I need like a step-by-step. How do I do this? That's what I need. Integration steps. Do I have a Steam microtransaction part of this already in the API? Using Steamworks dot using Steamworks. Let's bring it to the shop manager. Shop manager. Okay. We're using Steamworks pretty much inside here exclusively, right? Then we have Steamworks dot the game ID. Constant Steam ID. Okay. Leaderboard, lobby. There's no like purchase or anything. Networking. That's right, Steam has no networking. I forgot about that. Will that work? Will I need to have anything else besides Steam networking instead? Maybe. There's so much stuff. They have so much stuff. iSteam. Matchmaking. Leaderboard. Lobby. Microtransaction authorization response. There's gotta be something online about how this works, right? Steam microtransactions Unity. Is there a dark mode of this? This is so bright. It's Unity's page. Why is there no dark mode? Brutal. You have to buy plus for that? Does not even support Steam? If I switch to Steam inventory. Interesting. So apparently Steam, where is Steam? In here? Works. Apparently there's an inventory section inside World of Grimm. I can build inventory items. But where would that sit under? Unity items? No. That'd be inside here. That's achievements. Community. Workshop. Miscellaneous. That's the achievements. Economy? Limited and beta testing. October 2011, so it's clearly it's not good anymore. Web checkout item shop. Asset appearance cache. Interesting. Inventory service? You can enable persistent player inventories without having to run special servers and manage users or items. Inventory uses the inventory service, the item store for your app will allow users to purchase your inventory service items on steam.power.com without having to build your own storefront. Item store on the store admin page for your app for more details. Grant items automatically with playtime in your game. That's pretty cool. Item tags. Dynamic properties. Item definitions. JSON document. Inventory service. I don't know how this exactly works. There's got to be the best way to do this has got to be something. I don't know exactly. Let me take a look at Marvel Snap. See exactly how they do it. How are they running there? How do they run this? Right? It's a valid thought. Oops. Button. Okay, so if I were to go here and I would go to this, it goes to gold 8,000. What is this screen? Is this screen? Is this an inventory item? What is this item? I do not know. It doesn't say what it actually is. It just says that we have it as a possibility, right? Interesting. And I don't know what it communicates with. I have no idea what that communicates with at all. Edit store page. Special settings. Associated demos, add demo, Steam playtest, Steam broadcast. Info. No. I don't know. DLC demos. Like we can add founders as the founders pass as a DLC. Right. Okay, so it did not give me an answer. I don't really understand how that works per se. Unfortunately, I'm not sure. I do know we have Steam integrated, but I don't know. I feel like in the season pass we want to add. It would probably be a here, like, or we would shift this up and it would say it here. Actually, don't know. I don't know how that works. Okay. What's next? So we still need to put the Steam purchasing integration is still need to be involved. Steam purchasing integrations is the thing. It's still on the to-do list. Let's do this thing. So we got a thing on here, the realm. When you inspect the realm, this is going to be the inspect realm part of the match. Inspect realm. We're going to do token creates on that side, so we need the stuff that happens on this side. Let's do a ticker. We'll do an empty here, and this empty will go. Oh, guys. Alright, guys. Okay, so if we did a ticker and we put it on the left side, so let's attach it left side. Alright, so we'll go like this. Right? If we do that, and then inside here he gets a vertical layout group. Right? And if we did inside the vertical layout group, we add in a add to card display. like that, and we add some padding. And we literally just go like this. No on the height. Spacing. We add some top padding. And we can literally, it'll show the card that gets affected. So we do this. Unpack this prefab, and this becomes a affected display card. Then we do card data. The card data gets affected by it. Works for me. So affected display, raycast off. No, raycast is on, that's fine. And then inside here, we'll add a... Yeah. There you go.
A churro snickerdoodle.
They're terrible. I should eat them all for you.
Noise.
All right. So. Let's go like that. Do +1 / +1. This is going to be green, red. That works. Card stat change. Okay. Public. Create card stat change. Card stat text. Okay, this card stat change is going to be int attack, int health, int mana. No, int attack and health fine. Card. Card stat text, that text equals int attack, int A equals attack, int H equals health, bool attack pause equals A greater than 0. Bool health pause equals H greater than 0. Okay. So we do string attack T equals attack pause. Then it's plus A. Else it's otherwise it's just A because it'll already be minus. Same thing with H. HPT. HP. Okay. So do I even need this then? I don't. Card text is going to be green is health, red is attack, right? So green color equals so that the same thing here was change this to red. It's currently red. Red, green, blue. Oh, I did it backward. Because health should be green. Okay. And then we do attack T. Slash HPT. Alright, cards that change. This one. Okay. Set the UI, we'll make a new one of these. Affected display card. Okay. We have this ticker. We have an affected display card. Up in there. Nice. Cool. Go to inspect realm. Do a game object of affected display game object and a transform for affected display holder. Do realm create affected display. It's going to be something, right? So we'll do a game object G equals, or we'll do an effect. So drafted card display, drafted card display affected equals instantiate affected game object into affected holder. Okay, now we can do affected dot card data dot update. Affected dot so we need to create the cards that change. We also need to Let's do tween operators. Init. There it is. We initialize it. Affected.init. Going to be based on a certain data, so we need card data. So we need card SO data. We need int attack change, int health change. Cool. So init data affected dot create card stat change attack health. So it should be that. Excuse me. So we should just be able to call this. It should just work. So in order to do this, we need to store this in a list on the realm. So each realm has to store that. Display, public, visibility, extra power, string, a list of strings. That is affected cards, data, a new list of strings. Okay. Then we can do add to affected, card SO, data, int attack, int HP. Add. It's going to be data dot. It's going to be it's going to be card manager. Find card index based on a data dot CNAME placer. Yep. This is a number. So that's a number. Attack is going to be a number, so attack. So attack HP. Okay. So if this number, if a realm does something, it affects it, right? So a realm. Like a torture chamber is a good one. Good example. Or actually, you know what? Let's do one where you can actually put it and not have to worry about it. Let's put it in Beehive. Right? So we can do all POIs I dot add to affected. It's going to be all POIs I dot player cards J was that a card? Dot card data. It's gonna be -1 0. Cool. Same thing here. So there's that. And then Enchanted Castle does the same thing, but it's positive. One. Right? So add to affected. And then when we click on the inspect, on inspect realm. Okay. You set what realm we're on. The inspector realm gets set. That's set here on inspect realm. So realm inspect is the inspector realm. Okay. update realm displays. Alright, so let's do affected holder for loop inside affected holder dot child count destroy affected child the play holder dot get child I dot game object. Okay. Now take these. So whichever we gotta do this, and we gotta do all POIs. So game time manager. All POIs dot length. If game term manager dot instance all POIs I. All POIs I dot. What would this be? Oh, dot current room dot rname placer equals inspector room dot current room rname placer. Okay. Then we do a loop here. J for game term manager. This is all POIs I dot affected cards data dot count. Then we do game term manager instance. No, we do create affected display, and it's gonna be it's gonna be a number now. Create affected display as a number, right? It's a number. Data card manager dot instance find card. Here's one card. Oh, it's just all cards index number. All cards. Not all cards. And the index is data dot card. Card. Card data.
Abigail! Are you not listening? Here.
So we're gonna split. So string array split equals this thing dot j split. There's some comma. Okay. Create effective display of split 0 of int dot parse. Split 0 and int dot parse 1 2. That should work. It'd be a disaster, but it might work. Save ROM displays. Alright, so the affected display is the ticker. The game object is the affected display card. This might work, this might be a disaster. We're about to find out. Alright, so let's see if this works. Interesting, so this is just a simple little thing, but it's harder than we did because we don't have any history saves in the game, right? So we're like literally creating this now. Oops. Realm UI off. Okay. Not Ravenswood, but Janet Castle. Or you just want to see? Alright, so and then, okay. we go to the UI, realms 2. It's gonna have a list here. Okay, so it literally increased 410, 1510, 410. So I have it twice for some reason. Oh, it works. Why did we go up one? It works, but it's like, why did the big one get hit twice with that? It didn't. It's just getting tracked twice for some reason. Okay, and I think I know why. I think I know why. Where is this this thing? Add it. Okay, let's go to add to affected. This one. Ah. Okay. If all POIs I dot opponent cards J dot card data dot attribute equals card. This. Okay. Cool. Actually, instead of doing it this way, instead of doing it that way, we're just gonna, we're adding the cards. It has no idea whether it's opponents or not. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I can fix that though. I can change that to be the card instead. Card data. Data.card data. This is so if data.card data dot attribute equals spell return. So don't create one. See, now it fixes stuff. Now I can just go like this. Don't need that. Okay. Okay. So it actually looks pretty nice. They like history. It's happened when you click on a realm. That's cool. I mean, hopefully it works for each realm, right? It's another test right now. It would help if I actually turned things off correctly. That would actually be really nice. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Not Mill Pond. Let's do we want to have all affected stuff happen in the realm? Probably. It's so hard to tell if I want history or if I want one with the current, you know, what has happened. Like if I want to show that this card has plus 14, right? Let's go to the Enchanted Castle next. Okay. Okay. +1 +1 for the red fox, +1 for the town mouse. Nothing over there. Does it right every time. I mean, do I have any complaints about that, really? No. Is that +1 1? No. Why does it say 1? 1 1. Oh, I think I know why it says that. I think I know why it says that. It goes through these strats and card displays here. Create card stat change. Create effective display. Wait, why is it saying it's a 1? I'm so confused. Oh, attack, HP, or health. That explains that one. Yeah, that checks out. Realms have history of card stat changes. That's good. All right. So let's play the game. Oh, Cloud Kingdom needs to show it too. Okay, so we got a lot of things to update. Cloud Kingdom. Okay. This realm dot add to affected. Our data is this, and the amount of attack is going to be total attack power, and then the HP is going to be 0. So then we do that one, this one. Okay. We're doing it anytime the player gets it. Anytime any card gets buffed, we're gonna do that. Makes sense to me. Let's see if we get the clunky in a little height. Let's take a look. See. Does it work? Does it work? Graveyard, what's inside? The Cloud Kingdom. Alright, I don't have a turn 2. Okay, so that buffed everything, but I should have had that, but King got +1, which makes sense. So this should give me a 310. Well, it will give me a 310, but it should also trigger that as well, right? Yep, +5, +3. In order. Perfect. That's awesome. Cinderella. Is not going to be playable here. Alright. So, play Shoemaker there. I'm gonna play Shoemaker and Peasant. Try to cure the win. Oh, they got a... Oof. Scary. 6. That's great. That's exactly how it's supposed to work. Yeah, this is looking good. Alright, so the giant for the win. I think so. That's so many things. Why did I play out of order? Why did they play it out of order? It's very confusing. Very confusing. Okay. There's an issue when I hide and try to clone. When I try to clone things after hiding stuff, right? What's up, Phil Poland? How you doing, buddy? Good to see you. A long time to see, right? What's kicking? What's new? Yo, life is good. Life is wild. New jobs, new cars. Look at you, Mr. Fancy Pants. You hear about our Kickstarter? We got a Kickstarter for World of Grimm. There's the stats for it out there on the top. Noise. Did I bother you enough about it? I hope I bothered you enough about it. Alright, so we are adding some small little quality of life things right now. Pleasantly bothered? You should be. Should be pleasantly bothered. Haven't downloaded yet? Well, when you do, it's free. Actually, we have a Steam build coming out October 9th, which is even more exciting. We'll have a Steam build that goes live with Next Fest, which is our first ever Next Fest. So very, very exciting. We're trying to figure out how to integrate Unity's, how to integrate the Steam in-app purchases with Unity, and I have no idea. I'm sure there are videos on how to do that on YouTube. I just didn't get that far yet. Thanks for being so loud, phone. Appreciate that. Yeah, I appreciate you being... Okay, I get it, dude. I get it. Calm down. But anyway, the same build will be on... The same one's on Edge. Same with Unity, despite the whole thing recently. Yeah. Honestly, it hasn't affected me yet. You know, if I get to the point where I have to worry about giving them an install fee based on making $1 million, then I'll start thinking about it. You know what I mean? Like if I hit the point of $1 million in net revenue, okay, we'll start making collective decisions about it. You know what I mean? But right now, it's not a problem. Made a press with Linux build? Thanks, man. Hope it's not a disaster. I have no way to test it. All I know is that it might be a complete disaster. Alright, so... The only thing I can't do on Steam is I can't do a Mac build on Steam. Because Steam requires Xcode. Because you can only sign things at 64-bit on Steam's marketplace, right? So I cannot do that without a Mac, and I don't own a Mac, but the Kickstarter might be able to fund a Mac. And then if it funds a Mac, I can then take the build, send it to the Mac, sign it with Xcode, and then be able to have it on iOS and like in the App Store as well. Disaster. Just a disaster. Yeah. So yes, we definitely are... We're definitely doing that as a history. That's awesome, man. You own a race car? No way. Pictures or it didn't happen. What kind of race car do you own? You crazy man. How are you making so much money nowadays? Explain to me how you make the money you make. Whose bank did you rob? Whew. You don't make a lot of money. Dude, I'm psyched for you though. Owning a race car is sweet. Do you race in your race car? That is the real question. You know, do you actually race your race car? And if you just look at your race car, that's cool too. Nah, that's cool. I don't mind that. A street car, nice. Like a Toyota Supra? Or a Nissan Skyline? Like one of the old school ones with like a 90s skyline. They're pretty sick. Nothing that expensive in hardcore? Oh, okay. Dang. Is it like a Mazda Miata? A 95 Lancer Evo? That's so sick, man. Yo, I'm psyched for you. That's awesome. I used to love the Evos. I probably still love the Evos. I just haven't seen one in a while, like in person. There's a big car show where we live every summer. Link a pink to it, please. I would never stop you from doing that, as long as it's not some prawn. Only not prawn. Instagram picture incoming. Hide it. Hide the prawn. Ooh. Yo. Is this edited, obviously. It has to be, first off. But depends on how you define it. This is car prawn. Your car has an Instagram account? No way. Hold on. I love that. I love that you gave. It's like when it's like when it's like when it's like a 50-year-old woman puts her dog on Facebook. You put your car on Instagram. It's pretty similar, I think. I'm like it. It's pretty sick though. It's really sick. Pretty common here to do that. That's awesome, man. It looks so good. It's a sharp car. Very awesome, man. I'm so stoked for you. And I'm over here just working on games. You're over there buying cool cars and stuff, and I'm just over here doing this. You know? Crazy how life goes. Alright, so we need to keep adding this stuff. Added a lot of pictures and stuff. That's sick, man. We got into film photography. Look at you, Mr. Snazzy. It's crazy, man. It's awesome. So stoked for you. Alright. Type power realm. This too. Total attack power. Did that. 0. Okay. Ravenswood. This 1. Work as a janitor. Oh, that's cool, man. So cool. You know, as long as you make money right now and you're just doing what you can, that's all that matters. You know? Wonder what to do with your life more permanently? I know that feeling all too well. That feeling sounds very familiar to me. Minus, minus, minus 1. Plus, plus. Yeah. Plus, plus. Equals 0. This add to affected. C dot this realm dot add to affected C dot extra attack power realm. Extra attack realm. How's the fams? They were very small and stuff, dude. 7 and 4. Yo, what a Grimm's downloaded. Let's go. They are 7 and 4. Annabelle is in 2nd grade now. It's crazy. The kid is just, I never expected that at all. I really didn't. Yeah, right. It's wild. It's really neat though. Like, don't get me wrong, it's really neat. Player cards.
Come here, please.
Oh, just around. Add to affected. There we go.
Everybody come inside. Take all that grass off the tree.
Okay. 1. Blinking, it's off to college. You're in a retirement home, drooling, speaking nuts about how you used to be a game dev. Back in my day, I used to sit in front of the computer and I used to code in front of Twitch. Twitch used to exist on the computer and it wasn't inside your skull. They didn't have it binded to your soul. But now it's binded to your soul, so that's just how it is now. I mean, I don't know what to do. These kids these days don't understand really what it means to sit in front of a computer. Back in our day, we used to have to code the games ourselves. But no one else helping us. The only people who can help us were on Twitch. Or Stack Overflow. And that's it. What? What voice is that? That's my voice when I'm 70. Get ready for that.
Ew.
You have to break this game as I did the leaderboard in the Bully Hard game? Please break it. I would appreciate that. So much. I can give you a quick intro on how the game works if you so doth require. If doth thoueth requireth. I do affected. Yep. I do affected -2. And another one for -2. Player cards. Giveth me the ruleth, so I may becketh them. Yes.
Pineapple.
Hold on. Allow me to show you how the game works. Okay. The game is 6 turns long. You will play cards. Do you need to register an account? Nope, just click start. Click login or whatever. It's pre-filled with demo, you're good. You can register an account if you want for later. More than welcome to. So, how the game works is there are 3 realms in the game. Turns 1, 2, and 3, they appear. You can play 4 cards on your side. Each, 4 cards total per realm on each side. You have 6 turns, equal to like Hearthstone style mana. You play cards by dragging them and placing them. They reveal the same time as the other player based on who's currently winning the game. You can find out who's winning the game based on who's got a green aura around their name, which currently we are 100% tied. At the end of 6 turns, you have to be winning 2 out of 3 locations, which is the red number. Total red number at 2 out of 3 locations to win the game. That's all it is. So they wishing well happened, so they added a random card. So I swapped 2 cards in the opponent's hand with 2 cards in the deck, which is great. Simpleton, so spells don't even activate in this realm. There are characters and there are spells in this game. This is a spell, it has no attack power. A character has attack power and health. If its health hits 0, its attack is 0 too, the card dies. That's it. That's all there is to it. It sounds like a lot, but it's really not. Whoa! Dark Omen didn't do anything. Why? That's not normal. Oh, that is normal. That's totally normal. You also have about the timer on the bottom right here. You get about 45 seconds to 50 seconds each turn. I just realized that Simpleton, spells do not activate this realm. Dark Omen is a spell, so it didn't work. Right? So let's see. Let's Shoemaker. Shoemaker. So every card is something different, right? Like Pied Piper adds a rat to their hand, and Shoemaker is +1 attack for every other card you control at this realm. So we have to win to mean more than 5 power on this location. We already have 1. This goes 4. We are winning 2 locations. We're currently winning the match. What the green aura around us is. We want a card. Honestly, we do want a card. We have Giant for turn 6. I think we're going to win. We're guaranteed to win on the middle. Rat. Nice. I'm number 1 in MLG tournaments in this. Yeah, I mean, games are 5 minutes long, so there's a chance that we may do tournament-style things in this. A high chance. So let's Snow White buff this. They Snow Whited too. Ooh, it's a big Snow White buff. Oh, we're not going to win that location. Bummer. Gotta pop off, though. It's late tonight. Sounds good, bud. Talk to you soon. Thanks for being amazing. And if you like the game, definitely give it a good old back-in on Kickstarter. Would appreciate that. All right, so yeah, so after basically how sorry I had to mute real fast, but I won 2 out of 3 locations, so that's how the game works, right? At the end, the cards level up. If you need a voice actor for the cards, please do. Would love a voice actor. We're planning on having every character have a voice line when they get played, which is also one of our Kickstarter backer tiers. Leveled up a little bit. So yeah, we got a lot going on. A lot of things. Thanks for hanging out, man. Much appreciated. Later, man. Alright, guys, we're gonna get going. Thanks for hanging out today. Much appreciated. Let's go and raid somebody. Let's see who is live on the internet. Who can we go and raid? Let's go. Bark, bark, bark. Oh, it's a grumpy dog. Give me the grumpy dog.
Oh my goodness.
Give me this grumpy dog.
She is being
Put her on stream.
something else.
Come here, grumpy dog.
You have fun playing outside?
This one. This is the grumpy thing. This is still loud animal.
There was a big mess on the trampoline.
Pepper.
Big mess on the trampoline.
Say hi to
She
Pepper.
explained it, right?
Good job.
Nice.
Mommy got on the trampoline at Amanda's the other day.
You being grumpy.
Cleaned all the leaves off. The burn.
Alright, let's go. Oh, stop it.
Look at space shoes on. Oh, I'm sorry.
Let's go and raid. Let's see here. Let's go over let's go over to Kindred. Kindred Games is a great buddy of ours. Super cool dude, super relaxing, super neat. We're gonna do a little raidy. They make a game called Swords and Magic and Stuff. And the raid message is going to be Twitch raid, Kickstarter raid, Twitch raid. That's gonna be the message. Grab it, copy it, paste it in his channel. Until next time, guys, I love you. And I'll see you soon. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.